Hello students, again this is Sandeep Gautam for the starting of the unit second, that is the energy sources. So what do you mean by the energy sources? Any kind of sources which produce the energy for the commercial or the domestic use is known as the energy sources. So in this unit basically we are gonna to discuss about the how many energy sources we can use. So but before that, before starting of the energy sources, we have to know about the basic fundamental and the objective of the energy users. So an energy system is a system primarily designed to supply energy services to end user. Taking a structural viewpoint, the IPCC fifth assessment report defines an energy system. But what is IPCC? IPCC is basically the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, and this is a intergovernmental body of the United Nations, which is dedicated to provide the world with objective scientific information relevant to understanding the scientific basis of the risk of human induced climate changes, its natural, political and economic impact and risks, and possible response options. Okay, so the report says all component related to production, conversion, delivery and use of energy. The field of energy economics include energy market and treat an energy system as the technical and economical system that satisfy consumer demand for energy in the form of heat, fuel and electricity. Okay. The first two definition allows for the demand side measures including daylighting, retrofitted building insulation and passive solar building design, as well as socio-economic factors such as aspect of energy demand management and even telecommuting. While the third does not, neither does the third account for the informal economy in traditional biomass that is significant in many developing countries. Okay, so the analysis of the energy system, as I told you, that we are going to consider about the two factors only. We are not thinking about the third factor. Okay, so the analysis of the energy system does span the discipline of energy, which includes or directly related to engineering and economics, merging idea from both area to form a coherent description, particularly while macroeconomics dynamics and involved is challenging. Okay, the concept of energy system is evolving as a new regulation, technologies and practice enter into services. For example, emission trading, the development of smart grid and the greater use of energy demand management respectively. So we can think about these energy resources with the help of the diagram, which shows the pictorial representation of all the energy resources as well as the transportation facility, even primary consideration. Okay, so physical component of generic energy system supplying fuel and electricity but not district heat to end user. What it includes at starting, that we are using the waste and biomass, which includes the three boxes, in which we are using the urban waste, waste from industry and energy plants and residues. So primary energy sources are the crude oil, coal, natural gas, uranium, hydropower, geothermal energy, wind energy, solar energy and bioenergy. Bioenergy is directly connected to the urban waste, waste from the industry and energy plants and residues. Okay, so when we are thinking at starting, we are going to discuss primary energy is crude oil, oil and natural gas and coal. So the transport facility is being considered with the help of the crude oil is being transported as a oil transport, coal is a coal transport, natural gas is a gas transport. Okay, then further it has to be passed through the conversion, that is known as a secondary energy. Oil transport is being refined, coal transport is a cokery, and the gas transport is electric power stations only. So with the help of the oil, coal and gas, we can use the electricity with the help of the electric power stations. Okay, as well as uranium is used in the nuclear power plant. Hydropower means hydropower plant. Geothermal is a geopower plant. Wind energy is the wind energy conversion. Solar energy is the solar power plant, and the bioenergy is the biopower plant, bioenergy conversion and uncomposed use of traditional biomass. Okay, all these means from electric power station to bioenergy power plant is provide you the electricity with the help of the grid, which is again transformer or the substation that is transferred to the electrical grid or electricity grid, and ultimately it is coming to the building or industry or agriculture. Okay, so same for the oil, coal and gas, which is being transport, means with the help of the transport facility we are getting at a final stage of the final energy demand for the energy services. So with the help of this diagram we can understand about the energy conservation as well as the energy production with the help of the how many ways that we can produce electricity. Means we are using the solar, thermal, geo and uranium, biomass. Okay, so most of the energy conservation is a renewable energy process. Okay, so if you want to add green, first think green. The references again we are using Anubha Kaushik book, some of the internet PDF and some of the Pevy and Rowe, McGraw-Hill publications, environmental engineering. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.